I graduated, I am a graduate. Sleepless nights have paid off. Finally I get to walk on that stage. I made my loved ones proud. Thank you, Mom, thank you, Dad. Thanks to everyone. It hasn't been easy, but we made it. Today is our day. We graduated. We are the graduates. I remember when it all started. I wasn't sure if I'll make it. I remember when I thought of dropping out. I remember when anxiety kicked in. I remember